Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Kingdom Come Deliverance II Mysteria Ecclesiae gamepad or controller not working issue. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon over here. Now click on power, then select restart. So this will restart your PC. After that, check if controller or gamepad is working or not. If not, next solution is to update your controller drivers. So for that, go to the Windows search for device manager. After that, go below expand human interface devices. Now select your controllers, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will search and update your controller drivers to the latest version, and after that launch the game and check controller or gamepad is working or not. If not, next method is to enable or disable Steam input. For that, launch Steam under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on controller, and here you have to select enable Steam input and then check if controller is working or not. If not, again come back here, you have to select disable Steam input and then check if the issue is resolved or not. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. Once the game files are verified, check if the game is launching or not. If not, check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to check for game updates. So you must check if there is any update available for the game. After updating the game, try to launch the game again and check if it's working or not. For that, go to Steam. Now under library section, select your game. Here you can see an update option is available, so you have to simply click on it and wait for some time unless the game is updated, and after that check if controller is working or not. If not, next method is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. Now here you have to click on check for updates option, and you have to wait and see if it's showing any update available. If yes, you have to update and install the Windows latest version, and after that launch the game and see if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to install DS4 Windows tool. For that, I have already provided the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser, or even you can search for DS4 Windows tool on your browser. Now after the website opens, you have to click on download option. Now this will take you to the next page. Now from here you have to select and download the DS4 Windows tool. Now after downloading it, install it and then connect your controller and update it. Once done, launch the game once again and then check if the error is resolved or not. If not, next is to remove the controller and add it again. For that, go to the Windows search for settings. Now here you have to click on Bluetooth and devices, and here your controller will be added. To remove it, you have to simply click on 3 dot icon and then click on remove device. After that, restart your PC once. Once your PC restarts, again come back, select settings, then Bluetooth and devices, and here click on add a device and click on here, and you have to add your controller to the PC. Once the controller is added, launch the game and check if gamepad or controller is working or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix Kingdom Come Deliverance II Mysteria Ecclesiae gamepad or controller not working issue on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.